Good afternoon. Going to be doing a quick unboxing video for some parts that I just got from PartsAvatar.ca. It's actually my first time ordering from these folks. They've been great to deal with. The customer service has been great. The shipping's been prompt. The pricing is fantastic. It's some of the lowest in the country, and I've been buying parts in multiple countries over the years. So let's do a quick unboxing. So essentially these are rotors and brake pads I got from my Hyundai Elantra. Here we go. All right, so what I ended up going up with here is ceramic pads for the Hyundai. These are always great because, you know, longevity and performance, that's kind of the best match. That's what you want. You don't want to also be changing your pads all the time. So, okay, we've got here is our shims. These are pretty good. They're pretty sturdy. Sometimes I've seen these in the past where they're super flimsy, but not these. These look great. And looking at the brake pads, that looks great as well too. I'm not gonna fully open them, but everything seems to be of high quality. The paint is really good. Yeah, no chips, anything like that. So happy with that. Now we're gonna move on to the rotors that I got. And these are the Promax. These are coated rotors. Being in Canada, we've got lots of salt and corrosion issues. So essentially, you know, these have like the E-coat, so that's the rust protection. Super easy. These will be easy to install. No brake degreasing will be used. And again, these are all factory milled. Oh wow, look at that. That coating looks fantastic. So they've actually covered every millimeter of this rotor. Yeah, so that should help with braking, corrosion, rust. Ceramic pads will add to that too. So again, this is the unboxing review for front rotors and pads for a Hyundai Elantra, and parts purchase at PartsAvatar.ca. Thank you.